Hey guys, this is Greg in Texas. Coming to you today on behalf of OmniShaver. They afforded me the opportunity to try this product out and see what I felt about it. So I'm gonna give a demonstration. They claim that you can shave your head fully in less than a minute. So we're gonna see how that goes. I've had it for about a week trying it out, getting familiar with it. As you may be like me, you have to put shaving cream on twice and go over your head 2 or 3 times just to get that close shave, that desired smoothness that you're looking for. And OmniShaver says that they can do that in less than a minute. So we're gonna see how this goes. So in the instructions, it says that using shave foam or gel or whatever the case may be. You can even use lotion. So I'm just going to use regular foam, apply it on my head, and then see how this goes. All right. As you can see, this is like 4 days worth of growth on my head. So we're going to see how this works. Also, the people at OmniShaver say in the instructions that you don't have to rinse this off during the process, that it's self-cleaning, it's self-sharpening. Basically, it's kind of efficient in its own way, so you don't have to keep rinsing it off and, banging it against the edge of the sink to get the hair out of the razors. You just have to clean it once you're through. So we're going to give this a go. You have to do it in short strokes. You can do it in long, but the instructions suggest that you do it in short strokes, quick strokes, to get this done. So here we go. Don't be worried about some of the hair that you see that's left on your scalp. That's just part of the self-cleaning process that, once you finish, you'll get a wet rag or, rinse your head off and all that'll go away. So it's not missing spots. It's just cleaning itself, working the hair out of the razors so you don't have to rinse it through the process. And you can just keep going over your head. Make sure you don't miss any sections. If you're like me, the back is a trouble spot. It's normally where my thickest hair is, so and I'm done. I mean, it's just that quick. Let me go ahead and wipe this off and show you what I got. As you can see, there's virtually no hair. I do have this trouble spot right here that I like to call the crack on the back of my head, that I'll have to get a regular razor to get that out of. But other than that, this is successful. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would recommend it. Thanks to the folks at OmniShaver. Hope you have a good day.